And the Oscar goes to Parasite.
It has been a year that we all want to forget as soon as possible. But one thing about this year that made history and people around the globe happy was Parasite's Oscar win for the Best Picture in the 92nd Academy Awards. To be really honest with you guys, I was not really expecting this. In fact, nobody was expecting this from the Academy in the first place. Academy awarding a foreign language film as the Best Picture doesn't sound like Academy at all. I was all up for 1917 for the Best Picture. What bro, another one-cut film as the Best Picture? Are you crazy or what, man? Hey man, that film was the best movie experience I've had, okay? And watching it in IMAX was probably the highlight of my year. But this is not the topic of my video. I want to talk about what Parasite did that no other film ever could. So let's get started. When Parasite took home the biggest award of the night, my initial reaction was that why did a film that has already won Best Foreign Feature took home the Best Picture award? That is kind of weird, because then every film winning in that category should automatically qualify to win the Best Picture every year from now onwards. But it was only a week later I saw what change it brought to an average moviegoer's choice. Almost all theatres here started screening that film after its big win, and almost all of my friends ended up watching it. And that is something you do not expect from a person who is not generally a film enthusiast. Imagine it. If you recommended Parasite to your friends before its Oscars wins, would they have still watched it? Chances are very unlikely. But after 10th of February, almost everyone you know probably watched it. The platform it got through Oscars really brought attention to many foreign films and foreign filmmakers. In fact, I myself ended up watching a lot of foreign films later on. Now, foreign film category isn't just another overlooked category in the Academy, but people will actually watch those films, because Parasite becoming the first ever foreign language film to win the Best Picture really gave hope to filmmakers around the world that they don't necessarily have to be in Hollywood to get acknowledged by the community and the audience.
자막, 서브타이틀의 장벽도 아니죠. 한 1인치 정도 되는 그 장벽을 뛰어넘으면 여러분들이 훨씬 더 많은 영화를 즐길 수 있습니다.
Once you overcome the 1-inch tall barrier of subtitles, you will be introduced to so many more amazing films.
Although that 1-inch barrier never really existed for anime and film lovers, but it surely did exist for the majority of the audience who prefer to watch movies in their regional language. When people saw how good a Korean film can be, it broke the barriers from many other mediums of entertainment. In fact, it broke the barriers for its creators as well. मैं आराम से वीडियो हिंदी में बोल के बना सकता हूँ, और जब तक मैं सबटाइटल्स डालूंगा मुझे इस बात की कोई टेंशन नहीं है कि लोगों को समझ आएगा कि नहीं. I got this confidence to say that in my regional language from the success of Parasite. I can make all my videos in Hindi, but putting up subtitles is yet another big task. So in order to save myself some time, I make them in English, plus I'm more comfortable at writing my scripts in English. I don't have to worry about who my audience will be. As long as I'm putting English voiceovers or subtitles, I'm free to make whatever I want for the masses. It was a breath of fresh air because now people can experience new cultures through films, instead of just watching Hollywood films that doesn't really have much cultural related screenplays involved. I mean, sure, there are some films, but watching a film in its regional language just brings the authenticity to the visuals we see. This was the first time when a foreign film was all over social media and the masses were discussing the film, thankfully in a positive manner.
잠깐. 제시카 외동딸 일리노이 시카고 과선배는 김치모 그는 네 사촌.
I know I have some foreign viewers, and I won't even hesitate to recommend you all an Indian film because I believe that now people will actually give it a go. So I'd recommend all the non-Indians to go watch Andhadhun. It's a dark comedy, and if you all loved Parasite, I know you all will love this film as well. And if you guys have any suggestions for me, then comment down below. I will surely watch them and update my response to you. Also, last time I asked you guys to comment for the algorithm, my video actually did really great. So if you guys don't have any foreign movie recommendation, then please just like and comment for the sake of algorithm so YouTube can recommend my video to other people as well. And I will see you in the next video.